Hello students. In the last two sessions, I had discussed all the question answers of the chapter Human Excretory System. Today I am going to discuss all the very short questions. So, the exercise that is of Candid ICSE Biology book. First is the name the following. In that first question is structural and functional unit of kidney. Answer is nephron. Second question, act of passing urine. Answer is urination or micturition. Both are correct. Third one, to maintain the water contents constant in the body. Answer is osmoregulation. Number 4, removal of unwanted substances from the body through artificial kidney. Answer is dialysis. Now I am moving to the question number D, that is choose the odd one from each of the following. Number 1, options are ureter, kidney, urinary bladder, urethra, lung. In that the odd one is lung. Number 2, heart, lungs, liver, kidney, skin. In that heart is the odd one. Number 3, urethra, uterus, urinary bladder and ureter. In that uterus is the odd one. Fourth number, options are neurons, ureters, nephrons, kidneys. In that neurons, this option is the odd one. Now next one is question number E, that is the FITB or fill in the blanks. In that first one is urine contains nitrogenous waste in the form of urea. Number 2, in case of kidney failure, dialysis is used to remove the metabolic waste. Dialysis. Answer is dialysis. Number 3, process of passing out urine is called micturition or urination. Both are correct. Number 4, in hematuria, blood passes out along with urine. Answer is hematuria. And last one, number 5, nephron is the structural and functional units of the kidney. So I am repeating once all the fill in the blanks. Number 1, urea. Number 2, dialysis. Number 3, micturition. Number 4, hematuria. Number 5, nephron. Now I am going to tell the answers of true false. Question number F, true false. Write true or false and correct the incorrect statement. Number 1, the passage of urine to the outside is called urination. This statement is correct, so the answer is true. Number 2, the functional and filtering units of kidneys are neurons. This statement is false. You have to correct the last term, that is the neurons. In place of neurons, it should be nephrons. Nephrons. Number 3, ribs are called the additional excretory organs. This statement is false. You have to change the first word of the statement, that is the ribs. In place of ribs, that should be lungs. In place of ribs, it should be lungs. Now number 4, the filtering unit in the kidney is nephron. This statement is true. So I am repeating once. Number 1 is true. Number 2 is false. In place of neurons, it should be nephrons. Number 3 is false. In place of ribs, it should be lungs or any other accessory excretory organs name you can write. Number 4 is true. Now I am telling choose the correct answer. Number G. In number G, the first question, number 1, the filtering unit in the kidney is nephron. Number C, nephron. Number 2, a network of capillaries present in the Bowman's capsule is called, option number B, glomerulus. Number 3, the process of maintaining constant water content in the body is known as, option number B, osmoregulation. And number 4, human kidney is made up of more than 1 million, option number B, nephrons. So I am repeating once. Choose the correct answer. Number 1 is option C, nephron. Number 2 is the option B, glomerulus. 3, option number B, osmoregulation. 4, option number B, nephrons. Next one is match the columns. Question number 8, match the columns. So I am telling first column A, then I will tell the column B. So column A, number 1, kidney. It will go with the column B. Option number C, excretion. Number 2 of column A, osmoregulation. It will go with the option number E of column B, that is to maintain constant water content. To maintain constant water content. Number 3 of column A, urinary bladder. It will match with the option number B of column B, micturition. Urinary bladder, micturition. Next one, number 4, cellophane tube. It will match with the option number D, that is the artificial kidney. And last one, number 5 of column A, structural and functional unit. It will go with the column B, option number A, nephrons. So I am repeating once. Column A, option number 1, kidney. Option C of column B, excretion. Osmoregulation. Option number E, to maintain constant water content. Urinary bladder. Option B, micturition. Cellophane tube. Option D, artificial kidney. Structural and functional unit, option A, nephrons. So by that, today I am ending my session. Bye and have a nice day.